Hey, stop scrolling. Did you know this remote can control your body? Don't believe me? Look, it just turned on. And now a voice is saying, Player detected. Ready? Button 1. Jump. Did you do it? Okay. Button 2. Spin. Now for the tricky one. Button 3. Freeze. Don't move a muscle. Wow, you're really being controlled by this thing. Okay, the final button is loading. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Wait, there are 3 options. Should we press dance mode, slow motion, or super speed? You need to choose fast. The remote is watching. Comment your choice below and we'll see what happens next.